Rob and Mallory. Next, we're going to bring the children's on the stage here. We're going to be heading south to the Polish-Czech border, the town of Cieszyn. And you know, the internet's a lovely thing. You know, you get on last night, start Googling this, that, the other thing. And I didn't know this before, but Cieszyn is actually referred to as Little Vienna because of its Austrian influences, but also how it got its name. I thought it was kind of interesting is that all the way back to the year 810, all the way back that far, that the three sons of a prince settled there, and they decided on a name from a saying that refers to "I'm happy." So the kids are happy to perform for you today. They're going to be performing a suite of dances from Cieszyn, but also following that up, they're going to be performing the Przeporeczka, or the Little Quail. Ladies and gentlemen, our children's ensemble with Cieszyn, Przeporeczka.